Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Sargent. I just wanted to give you a quick lesson on sentence structure. In order to be a complete sentence, you need to have a subject and a verb, and it needs to express a complete thought. So, is this a sentence? Yes, it is. It's a very simple sentence, but I have a subject, it, and I have a verb, rained. It rained. That's a complete thought. There's really nothing else you need to know. If I have a sentence like this, is this a sentence? No, it's not. I still have a subject and a verb, but it doesn't express a complete thought because it rained. Because it rained what? So this is called a dependent clause. It depends on something else to make it complete. Because it rained, we stayed in. Now I have a complete sentence. I have a dependent clause and I have an independent clause. We stayed in. This is an independent clause. It can stand on its own. It is a complete sentence. So anytime you have a sentence fragment, it's probably it's something that's missing a subject or something that's missing a verb, or it needs to express a complete thought. So a lot of times it's just a matter of joining it with something that came before or after it, like in this case, or sometimes you need to just kind of change the beginning of the sentence so that you're sure you've got a subject and a verb. When we talk about run-ons and comma splices, we're looking at something like this. How many sentences do I have here? I have two sentences. I went to the store. I bought milk. As it is, these two sentences strung together, this is called a run-on. Okay, two sentences, no punctuation. This is not right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a comma in between them. Now I've got two sentences separated with a comma. What I've done here is I've created a comma splice. This is also not correct. I can't join two complete sentences with just a comma. There are three ways that I can correct run-ons or comma splices. One would be to put a period here. Just make it two complete sentences. I went to the store, I bought milk. Okay. Another way to correct this would be to use a semicolon. That's not a winky face. That's actually a piece of punctuation. You can join two complete sentences with a semicolon. Students get really excited. They think, great, I can join all my sentences together with semicolons. Not a great idea. Okay, this is for two closely related sentences and you don't want to use them a lot. The third way I can fix this is I can use a comma and a conjunction. I went to the store, comma, and I bought milk. Okay, and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet, those are all conjunctions that join together sentences. So if I'm doing that, if I have two complete sentences and I want to join them together with a conjunction, I've got to make sure I use that comma. So if I have this, I went to the store and bought milk, this comma is no longer correct because I don't have two complete sentences anymore. I have a compound verb. I went and bought. So in this case, I no longer need that comma. I went to the store and bought milk. Okay, but with the two complete sentences, I'm going to use a comma and a conjunction and fix it that way. So that's fragments, run-ons, comma splices. If you have any questions about those, give me a call. Check in with the Writing Center tutors. They're really helpful with helping you correct and find these. And if you watch this whole video, shoot me an email and let me know, and I'll give you extra credit.